Hi, today I'm going to show you several reasons why an edger blade will not turn, and you can figure out why. Okay, there's four things that could keep your blade from turning. The first one is inside this little housing here is a clutch. To get to that clutch, you take the spark plug out, you fill the cylinder up full of small rope, then you use a Torx here to take this screw out, because if you don't fill it up, then the shaft just turns and you can't get it off. There's no other way to keep that crankshaft from turning. Once you pull this off, you pull this housing off, inside that is a clutch. Now the clutch is screwed on, you unscrewed it. So the way it works is as the engine spins up to high speed, these arms spread out and they catch inside this housing and it allows it to spin. So if this thing is springs are weak, or they get dirt inside there or something, it may not catch. That's one possibility. The other possibility is the belt. If the belt is stretched too far, it won't turn. Third thing is this spring. This spring pulls tension on this idler pulley. If the spring is stretched, then it won't hold tension. The fourth thing is the pulley. The pulley that is being turned to turn the blade, this thing's plastic. And you can see this shaft has a notch on it. The shaft goes inside the pulley, and the pulley has a notch in it. And what will happen is, over time, it'll keep turning and turning and turning, and the next thing you know, it spins inside. So your pulley is just turning away, and this thing's not turning because the blade is sitting here hung in the dirt. So this is the one that got me. I changed everything out and the blade still wouldn't turn, and it turns out that this piece of plastic was just busted on the inside. So those are the four things you need to look at if your blade will not turn: the clutch, the spring, the belt, and this pulley.